Welcome back everyone. This is Malti Ankodia from GPC Ajmer. Students, in this video we are going to do direct and indirect speech. How are we going to convert direct sentence of imperative and exclamatory sentences into indirect speech? Yes? So first of all, I would like to remind you the rules. First, reporting verb we need to change. Reporting verb, how are we going to change? You are going to change exclamatory sentences according to concept. Said or said to you would find in a reporting verb, and according to concept it is going to change into indirect speech. Like alas, right, exclaimed with sorrow. Hurrah, exclaimed with joy. Oho, exclaimed with regret. Depends on sentence, okay? Aha, exclaimed with regret, delight. Bravo, congratulated. Hello, greeted, wished. Yes? And an imperative sentence, according to concept again, said to, said you will find, please and let also you will find. How are we going to convert? Prohibited, ordered, commanded, requested, advised, asked, forbade, asked. If sentence is negative command, negative imperative sentence, then connect it with not to, and rest of the sentences we are going to connect it with to. Yes, linking word we are going to use to here, and in exclamatory sentence that will be going to be used. Okay, now see, first we are going to see an imperative sentence. See, these are the imperative sentence. First of all, I want you to know what is an imperative sentences. Imperative sentences, how are we going to recognize an imperative sentence? Yes? The reporting verb changes into this reporting verb. It changes into order, command, request, advise, ask, prohibit, forbid, according to the concept of the reported speech. Yes? Now, imperative sentences जिनमें ऑर्डर, कमांड, रिक्वेस्ट किया जाता है वो इम्पेरेटिव सेंटेंसेस होते हैं. एंड प्लस दूसरी इसकी पहचान है, ये डायरेक्ट वी से शुरू होते हैं, यानी कि हेल्प वर्ब से शुरू होते हैं. जैसे सिट डाउन, गो आउटसाइड, शट द डोर. यस, तो डायरेक्ट स्टार्ट फ्रॉम वर्ब, एक्शन वर्ब. इसमें सब्जेक्ट नदारद होता है. दिस इज अनदर वे यू टू रिकॉग्नाइज एन इम्पेरेटिव सेंटेंस. लेट्स सी. He said to me, please help me. So, first of all, you need to recognize the concept. What is being done here in this sentence, in this speech? Please help me. The speaker is requesting. So, that request word we are going to use as linking verb. He requested me to help me, and it has been connected with to, as I told you. Clear? See the next one. Mother said, don't play with bad boys. So this is negative command, negative imperative sentence. So here what is being done? Here mother is advising. So that advise word we are going to use as linking, helping reporting verb. Mother advised us not to play with bad boys. Here we have added not to. यहाँ टू से कनेक्ट किया था. अब चूंकि ये नेगेटिव कमांड है तो इसमें नॉट पहले लगाएंगे. और इसी सेंटेंस को चेंज करने का दूसरा तरीका ये है, अगर आप एडवाइज्ड नहीं यूज़ करना चाहते हैं तो आप फॉरबेड यूज़ कीजिए. मदर फॉरबेड अस टू प्ले विद बैड बॉयज़. यहाँ पर जब हम फॉरबेड यूज़ करेंगे तो यहाँ नॉट नहीं लगाएंगे, सिर्फ इसको टू से कनेक्ट करेंगे, बिकॉज फॉरबेड ही अपने आप में एक नेगेटिव वर्ड है, मना करना. इज दिस क्लियर? नाउ सी द नेक्स्ट वन. He said to me, get out. Yes, order is being given. So how are we going to convert? He ordered me to get out. Again, the connector to is here, and ordered we have used as a reporting verb. Now, in imperative sentence, you are going to find the sentences, the speeches which start from let. Permission, suggestion and proposed. Permission, suggestion and proposal types of words, sentences are going to come. Like how? He said to me, let us go for a walk. So what is being done here? Proposal is being given. So we are going to convert this reporting verb into proposal, proposed. Me, that से connect होगा. As I told you, हमने रूल्स में देखा था, जिसमें परमिशन, सजेशन और प्रपोजल है जो लेट से शुरू हो रहे हैं, उसमें एक लिंकिंग वर्ड टू ना लग करके दैट लगेगा. दैट वी शुड गो फॉर अ वॉक. Clear? Now see the next one. Ram said to me, let us help the poor. A suggestion is being given. So this said to is going to be converted into suggested. Ram suggested me that we should help the poor. Clear? Now, he said to me, let me read your essay. So there are two ways to change or to convert this sentence into indirect. He requested me to let him read my essay. Here it has been connected with to. Said to, requested and to. To से connect करेंगे तो हम let का use किया है इसमें हमने. Let him read my essay. Clear? अब जब to नहीं लगाएंगे तो हम that लगाएंगे. किस तरह से? He requested me that I should allow him to read my essay. I hope you have learned. Now see the next one. Exclamatory sentences. How are we going to convert an exclamatory sentences? Exclamatory sentences, they express pain, disgust, sorrow, surprise, warning, joy, anger. Clear? An exclamatory sentence contains words which express certain strong emotions of anger, joy, surprise, resentment, etc. Therefore, these feelings are added to the following. As I told you, the feelings are added like exclaimed with sorrow, exclaimed with joy, like that. Now, see how are we going to use them. He said, alas, how foolish I have been. So, he exclaimed. Here we are going to find the sentence is exclamatory through this exclamatory sign or through the concept of the sentence. He exclaimed with regret here that he had been very foolish. I have been है यहाँ पे, present perfect है, तो यहाँ पे हमें past perfect कर देना है. Clear? Now, the captain said, hurrah, we have won. The captain said, hurrah. The captain exclaimed with joy, yes, that they had won. Again, present perfect, so past perfect we have made. Now, looking at his new doll, the child said, aha, it is my doll. So, looking at his new doll, the child exclaimed with delight that it was his doll. Clear? Because it is a matter of happiness, so it is going to be converted like this. अगर यहाँ ऐसे होता, looking at his new doll broken, the child said, oh, it is my doll. तो फिर यहाँ हम चेंज कर देते हैं इसको कि the child exclaimed with regret or with sorrow. Yes? So according to the question, you need to recognize the concept of the sentence, what is being done actually there in the sentence. Then you choose accordingly. He said to Rita, hello ma'am, how are you? He greeted Rita. Greeted, विश किया जा रहा है, विश करने को हम ग्रीटिंग्स कहते हैं। ही ग्रीटेड, विश्ड भी लिख सकते हैं आप यहाँ पे, ही विश्ड और ही ग्रीटेड रीटा एंड आस्क्ड हाउ शी वॉज। हाउ आर यू, ये आपका इंटरोगेटिव, इसमें 2 सेंटेंसेस मिक्स हैं। ये सेंटेंस तो आपका एक्सक्लेमेटरी है और ये आधा सेंटेंस आपका इंटरोगेटिव है। तो इंटरोगेटिव में क्वेश्चन वर्ड से शुरू हो रहा है ये। सो हम क्या करेंगे, क्वेश्चन वर्ड वहीं रखेंगे, वो कहीं नहीं जाएगा, और बाकी हमारा ये टेंस चेंज हो जाएगा। आर यू, तो ये शी वॉज हो जाएगा। ठीक है, आर यू प्रेजेंट है, सिंपल प्रेजेंट, या सिंपल पास्ट कर दिया है। अब यहाँ हमको उसकी क्वेश्चननेस को रिमूव करना है, इसलिए हमने इसको सिंपल रख दिया है। यह हेल्पिंग वर्ब प्लस सब्जेक्ट है, ये हेल्पिंग वर्ब प्लस सब्जेक्ट है। क्वेश्चन में हम ये यूज़ करते हैं, ठीक है, और क्वेश्चन मार्क आता है। आज हमें इसी क्वेश्चननेस को हटाना है तो हम क्या करेंगे, इसको सिंपल रख देंगे, हेल्पिंग वर्ब। यस, सो कैसे बन जाएगा ये, ही ग्रीटेड रीटा एंड आस्क्ड, 2 बातें हो रही हैं, ग्रीटिंग भी हो रही है और आस्किंग भी हो रही है, हाउ शी वॉज। द ओल्ड लेडी सेड मे यू लिव लॉन्ग। अब यहाँ पे विश किया जा रहा है, मे यू लिव लॉन्ग। द ओल्ड लेडी विश्ड दैट आई माइट, मे हैज़ बिन कन्वर्टेड इनटू माइट, लिव लॉन्ग। Nonu said, good morning friends. Nonu wished, yes, his friends good morning. Easy, इस सेंटेंस को हमें easy रखना है, हमें रिमोट inverted comma remove करना है. So we are going to make converted in a simple manner, in a simple sentence. The captain said to the players, bravo, you have played well. So the captain congratulated here. यस, ब्रावो आया है तो हमने इसको किस में कन्वर्ट कर दिया है, कॉन्ग्रेचुलेटेड द प्लेयर्स बाय सेइंग दे हैड प्लेड वेल। टेंस चेंज करना है, अगेन यहाँ पे प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट है तो हमने यहाँ इसको पास्ट परफेक्ट बना दिया है। सो आई होप यू अंडरस्टूड, you enjoyed the session. Now you need to practice at home. Thank you everyone.